Hey everybody, I'm Ben from Brook Point, and today I wanted to show you, I set up the new backdrop for Brook Point's Couples Romance Getaway in my office. Kind of run out of room in here, but let me show you what it looks like. So you have to apologize for my mess, but we've got the new backdrop. It's pretty cool, I think, and it's got a little bit of wrinkles, but we're not sure how tight we need to pull this. It looks like we're gonna have to pull a little bit tighter, but it was kind of hard to stretch it. Let me show you the back. It does have a lot less moving pieces. It doesn't have magnet strips like that kind of go on each one. It folds down into a very small little box, but yeah, we're pretty sure that the lights that we have will clip on right up here, and we'll illuminate this from the front still. But we're gonna set this on there'll be two 5-foot tables, so they'll come up to standard table height. So that'll push this up a little bit. We're gonna see if we can get that so it's a little bit bigger and stands out a little bit more, because our booth bus is, you know, about this tall. So if you come back here, our booth bus is about this tall, so you don't see the logo very much if somebody's standing there. But anyway, I'm pretty darn excited about this new backdrop. Make sure to tell me what you think about it. And yeah, the other one was almost 10 years old, so it was time for a new one. Thanks for letting me show you the new backdrop. I'm Ben from Brook Point, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and like and comment.